Hello students, we are doing chapter number 4 playing with numbers exercise 4.5. In last video we did till question number 8 and today we will start from question number 9. So 9 question is find the least number of 5 digit which is exactly divisible by 32, 36 and 45. So first we will find out the LCM for 32, 36 and 45 and then we will check which is the least 5 digit number will come in that table. So we will take 32, 36 and 45. Any method we can follow to find out the LCM here. First 32 will go 16 times with 2, 36 18 times and 45 will not go, so we will write as it is. Again with 2 8 times, then 2 9 times and 45 as it is. 2 4 times, 9 and 45 as it is. 2 2 times, 9 and 45 as it is, then again 2 one time and 9 and 45 like that only. Then it will go with 3 table, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 15 ja 45. Then 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15 and again it will go with 5, 5 1 ja 5. So LCM will be the multiplication of these number 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So if you multiply these number you will get 1440. Now we have to check in the table of 1440 which is the least 5 digit number. So we will start from least 5 digit number. Least 5 digit number is after 1 4 zeros. 10,000 is the least 5 digit number and this number we will divide with this number 10,000 we will divide with 1440. So it will go 6 times. After multiplication with 6 you will get 8640. Subtract 1360 is the remainder. So when we are multiplying 6 times we are getting a 4 digit number and here remainder also we are getting. It means the next multiplication when we will multiply with 7 that will be the 5 digit number which will come in this table. Any other number will not come. After this the next number will be the 5 digit number. So therefore the least 5 digit number which is exactly divisible by 32, 36 and 45 is 1440 into 7 because when 6 time we are getting 4 digit number, so 7 times we will get a 5 digit number and you will get here after multiplication 10080. Next question number 10. Three boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? So here keyword is minimum. Minimum means least and least word will come in lowest common factor, means we have to find out the LCM for these number. So we will find out the LCM here 63, 70 and 77. All these three numbers are coming in 7 table. So first we will divide with 7. 7 9 ja 63, 7 10 ja and 7 11 ja. Then 3 3 ja 10 and 11 as it is. 3 1, 10 and 11 like that only. Then with 2 table, 5 table and at last 11 table. 11 1 ja 11. So LCM of these number will be 7 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 11. You will get after multiplication 6930 centimeter, which we can change into meter also. We can write it as 69 meter 30 centimeter. So therefore least distance, minimum distance covered by each in complete steps is 69 meter and 30 centimeter. Next question number 11. Traffic light at 3 different roads crossing change after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. At what time will they change together again if they change simultaneously at 7 am? So we have to find out the next when they will change together. It means the next time should be multiple of this also and this also. We have to find out here common multiple. So common multiple, that also least common multiple. It means LCM we have to find out here. So first we will find out LCM for 48, 72 and 108. It will go with 224 times, 36 times and 54 times. Again with 12 times, 18 times and 27 times. Then 6 times, 9 times and 27 times. 3 times, 9 as it is and 27 as it is. Then it will go with 3 1 ja, 3 ja and 3 9 ja. Again with 3 1 ja, 3 ja and 3 1 ja. So LCM will be here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So after multiplication you will get here 432 second. So after 432 second this traffic light will change again. So this 432 second we can change into minute also. 432 we can write as 420 plus 12. 420 plus 12. So 420 second is equal to 7 minute. And this 12 second will be as it is. So light will change again after 7 minute 12 second after 7 am. Next question number 12. If the product of two numbers is 4032 and their SCF is 12, find their LCM. So we will use here the formula which will define the relation between LCM SCF of two number. So as we know LCM and LCM into SCF of two number is equal to the product of two number. LCM we don't know here, we have to find out. SCF is given 12 and product of two number is given 4032. So this 12 we can shift another side, it is here in multiplication. After shifting another side it will go for division. You can divide or you can do cancellation. If we cancel then we can cancel with 4 table, 4 3 ja, 4 1 ja 0 as it is, then again 3 will not go, then 4 8 ja 32. Again we can cancel with 3 table, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 6 ja 18. So LCM of these number will be 336. Next question number 13. The SCF and LCF of two number are 9 and 270 respectively. If one of the number is 45, find the other number. So same thing we will use here, whatever we have used in last question. Product of two number is equal to the HCF and product of HCF and LCM. So first number into second number, product of two number we can write like this also. First number into second number is equal to LCM into HCF. So first number is given 45, second number we have to find out. LCM is given 270 and HCF is given 9. This 45 we can shift another side, so second number will be 270 into 9 by 45. Now we can do the cancellation. 9 5 ja 45, with 5 table we can cancel. 5 5 ja 25 and 5 4 ja 20. So second number is 54. Next question number 14. Find HCF of 180 and 336, then find their LCM. So first we will find out HCF here for these two numbers. So smaller number we will keep here, bigger number we will keep inside. So first it will go one time, remainder will be 156, then 180 we can shift here, again it will go one time, remainder will be 24, 156 shift here, then it will go 6 time, 144, 12 is remainder, again 24 shift here, and 12 to the 24 it will go. So HCF is here 12. After getting HCF, now we have to find out LCM, but with the help of this HCF and given number. We should not find here LCM with normal way, because it is mentioned here, hence find LCM. So with the help of this only we have to find out. So as we know, LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. LCM we don't know here, HCF we have calculated 12, number product means 180 into 336. So LCM will be 180 into 336 divided by 12. Cancel with 12 table, 12 1 ja and 12 5 ja 60. Then multiply these two number, you will get 5040, which is LCM for these two numbers. Next question number 15. Can two numbers have 15 as their HCF and 110 as their LCM? Give reason to justify your answer. So one property is there for LCM and HCF of numbers, that is always LCM will exactly divisible by HCF. Completely it will divisible by HCF. So we will check here whether this LCM is completely divisible by 15 or not. So first we will divide this 110 by 15. 15 7 ja 105. Remainder we are getting here 5. So because we are getting here remainder, it is not completely divided by 15. It means these two numbers are not the LCM of LCM and HCF of two number. So reason is here, because LCM is not completely divisible by, LCM is not completely divisible by HCF. Therefore, these two numbers cannot have 15 as HCF and 110 as their LCM. Here no two numbers, their LCM. Okay, no two numbers will have this LCM and HCF together. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.